From weekend arrests to jail transfers, 8 DPWH officials linked to the multi-million peso road dike scam face the Sandigan Bayan. Here's a report.
Following a series of arrests over the weekend, 8 DPWH Mimaropa officials ordered detained for graft and malversation were brought today to the 5th and 6th divisions of the Sandigan Bayan. These charges are in connection with the alleged 289 million peso road dike ghost project in Nauhan Oriental, Mindoro. The booking procedure and issuance of commitment orders lasted 5 hours. Of the 8 arrested, only 1 was allowed to post bail. She is Juliet Calvo, Chief of the Maintenance Division of DPWH Mimaropa. Her bail was set at 90,000 pesos. No bail was recommended for the others. 6 male suspects were brought to the New Quezon City Jail male dormitory, while Lerma Caico was committed to the female dormitory at Camp Karingal after the Sandigan Bayan released their commitment orders. The DILG and BJMP assure the public that no special treatment will be given to the arrested officials. In fact, they have been placed under general population in Building A of the jail facility. The use of gadgets is strictly prohibited, though visits will be allowed within limited hours.
Kasama na lang mga regular na nakukulong dito sa Quezon City. As directed by Sandigan Bayan, dalhin sila rito. Dahil dinala namin dito, hindi ho namin hiniwalay ang tasking ng isang regular na nakakulong. Igising po sila sa umaga, take personal necessities, then kakain, then may saning ire po kami sa taas. Pwede rin ho silang maglaro dyan ng whatsoever.
President Bongbong Marcos is calling on all remaining fugitives to surrender.
Sa mga nagtatangkang tumulong sa pagtatago, tandaan ninyo na kahit papaano mananagot din kayo kung kayo ay nagtatago ng isang fugitive from justice. Sa lahat ng natitirang akusado, ang aking payo sa inyo ay sumuko na kayo. Huwag nyo nang antayin na habul-habulin pa kayo.